Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I am a huge fan of this ANZA stimulating shampoo. When I first started using it, I noticed that it did have a unique type of smell. It was kind of a minty smell. And then when you go to put it on your hair, you feel a tingling sensation, which is really kind of cool. And I really want to make sure it gets worked in there well. So I like to massage it into my hair for a few minutes, really to get that activation going. I also like to use it with the conditioner that it comes with. And then afterward, I feel like when I get out in the shower, I immediately can see a difference. I feel like my hair is softer, smoother, silkier. And then when I go to dry it or even go to style it, I can see the shine and I can see how healthy my hair looks afterwards. My hair is normally thin and fine, and I really feel like the shampoo steps it up a notch. And that is just my point of view.